Wrong walking mistakes and how to fix them. Walking is a simple but very important physical activity to maintain health. However, if you walk incorrectly, you may not achieve the desired effect or even cause damage to your body. Here are common mistakes when walking incorrectly and how to fix them. 1. Incorrect posture. Error. Many people hunch or hunch their shoulders when walking, leading to back and neck pain. Solution. Keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed, eyes looking straight ahead instead of looking down at the ground. 2. Taking steps that are too long or too short. Error. Taking steps that are too long cause muscle and joint strain, while taking steps that are too short reduce the effectiveness of movement. Solution. Maintain a natural step. Do not try to take longer or shorter steps than usual. 3. Not using your arms properly. Error. Keeping your arms too stiff or too loose, not coordinating with your steps. Solution. Let your arms relax naturally, swinging slightly with your steps to increase effectiveness. 4. Not choosing the right shoes. Error. Wearing shoes that are the wrong size or do not provide good support, causing foot pain and affecting your posture. Fix. Choose shoes with soft soles, hug the foot, support the foot well, and are suitable for walking activities. 5. Not walking long enough. Error. Walking too short, not enough to bring health benefits. Fix. Try to walk at least 30 minutes a day for the best results. 6. Not adjusting the speed. Error. Walking too fast or too slow compared to your physical condition, reducing efficiency or causing fatigue. Fix. Adjust the speed to suit your health and personal goals. For example, walking gently to relax or faster to burn calories. 7. Not paying attention to breathing. Error. Breathing irregularly or shallowly, causing the body to tire quickly. Fix. Breathe deeply and regularly, synchronized with the pace to maintain endurance. 8. Not resting when needed. Mistake. Walking too hard without stopping, leading to injury or exhaustion. Fix. Listen to your body. Rest when you feel tired or in pain. 9. Not choosing the right terrain. Mistake. Walking in rough, slippery, or unsafe places, which can be dangerous. Fix. Choose flat, safe terrain that is suitable for your ability. 10. Not walking regularly. Mistake. Walking irregularly, only occasionally, does not bring long-term benefits. Solution. Maintain the habit of walking every day or at least 3 to 4 times a week. Thank you for watching the video. Wish you and your family health and happiness.